What does it take to be a better Muslim in the sight of Allah?
I have been to Hajj 5 times. I'm a better Muslim.
I pray 5 times a day.
I'm a better Muslim.
I give lots to charity. I'm a better Muslim.
Is this enough? Does doing only one act make me a better Muslim? Let's check what Al-Quran says.
I'll get back to you.
Me too. Alhamdulillah, I practice this ayat.
I can see there are 67 different aspects of a Muslim's character. Now let's check the next aspect of a Muslim's character.
Oops.
Now I understand that I must practice all these ayat to become a better Muslim in the sight of Allah. Now it's my responsibility to educate others by sharing it. Let the Quran answer your question.